Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio inte malai Okor les ozman.
Welcome to our channel. Every Friday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblen Chutzner Rebbe, shares a teaching from his holy ancestor, Rabbi Judah Loew, the saintly Maharal of Prague. In this week's video, from the end of Parshas Mishpatim, in Exodus chapter 24, the Maharal discusses when this chapter took place chronologically, as some rabbis believe it took place before Exodus chapter 19, while others believe it is in its chronological place. Either way, the passage is where God wanted it for his own reasons. But it is nonetheless pious and good to investigate deeper. You may be surprised by what the conclusion of the Maharal is. Let's watch.
All right, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn something from my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague. And although I'm not recording this on Friday, we hope to have it premiere on Friday, as you will be seeing this. This week's Parshas Mishpatim. In the book of Exodus, chapter 24, verse 16, we read, V'yishkan kvod Hashem al har Sinai v'chseu al anon sheishes yomim v'yikra el Moshe v'yom hashvi'i mitoch ha'anon. And the glory of the Lord abode upon Mount Sinai, and the cloud covered it 6 days. And the seventh day he called unto Moses out of the midst of the cloud. Rashi says, V'chseu anon, and the cloud covered it. Rebbe cholkem b'davar. Our rabbis disagree with this. There are those who say that these are the 6 days from Rosh Chodesh Sivan, the first day of the month of Sivan, until the festival of Pentecost, which is the day of the giving of the Torah. The Heilige Gezeide, the Maharal Prague, explains. First of all, Kol Taryag Mitzvahs, these are all the 613 commandments, saying, Loimer Ter Kamashmoy, that when it was giving the 613 commandments, it's not giving the Torah because God did not write the Torah yet, but rather that the tablets were the writing of God, as we see in Exodus 32, verse 16. And it's just a short one. I want to get that one in. And then the next one that we have on our verse, these are the 6 days from the first day of Sivan. And according to this, that's why this paragraph was written after the giving of the Torah, even though chronologically the narrative took place before the giving of the Torah, to tell together the concept of Mount Sinai. How did the words come about? Because first the mountain was covered with the cloud for 6 days before the giving of the Torah, and on the seventh day the Torah was given. Then subsequently, as we read in verse 18, Moses was in the mountain 40 days and 40 nights. And the Gemara in Yuma, the first chapter on Yuma Dalon Amid Beis, the tractate about the Day of Atonement 4b, that there's an argument according to the opinion that this narrative is taking place after the giving of the Torah. So the Shisha B'Sivan in the Torah is in accordance with the opinion that the Torah was given on the 6th day of the Sivan. And therefore it's impossible to explain this, that this narratively took place before the giving of the Torah in the chronological sense, because on the seventh day he called unto Moses, the Torah was given on the 6th day of the month, and according to the opinion that this took place before the giving of the Torah, Sover Torah is of the opinion that on the 7th day the Torah was given. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later. All right, how do I turn this thing off?
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made for you just by making a comment. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers this year. God bless.
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzio in the Maharal.